Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you exactly how to access and download free books using your Amazon Prime reading benefit in 2026. It's quick, easy, and already included with your Prime membership. First, go to the Amazon website and make sure you are logged into the account tied to your active Prime subscription. Next, head to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Prime Reading. Hit enter. At the top of the search results, you will see the official Prime Reading banner. Click on it to enter the Prime Reading Hub. You can also get here directly by typing amazon.com/Prime Reading into your browser. Once you're in the hub, you can browse through a massive rotating catalog of free books, magazines, and comics. Keep in mind, you can borrow up to 10 titles at a time. When you find one you want to read, click on the book's cover. On the product page, look at the purchase options on the right side of the screen. Instead of clicking Buy Now, look for the button that says Read for Free, with the Prime logo next to it. Amazon will then let you choose where to deliver the book. You can send it directly to your Kindle e-reader or to the free Kindle app on your smartphone or tablet. New for 2026, Amazon now allows you to download certain DRM free books directly as an EPUB or PDF file. This means you aren't forced to use a Kindle device or app for everything. If the publisher opted out of DRM, you'll see an option to download the file directly to your computer, so you can read it on whatever device or app you prefer. If you just want to use your phone and don't have the Kindle app installed yet, Amazon will display a QR code on the screen. Just scan it with your mobile device to download the app for free. And that's it! Your new book is ready to read. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.